Hey, yo, Matt, new guy kind of red. You see this?
From California, man. Can't take this in cold. Oh, that feels good.
What's up, everybody? That didn't fix it.
Huh?
I think there's something going on with that carburetor. Well, I've been working on this old Galaxie this morning, and brake's still working good. I think it might have some kind of a carburetor issue going on here. Might be a coil breakdown. It only does it under a load. Let's pump that distributor off and we'll get the ohms meter and test that coil while it's hot still. Thanks for holding the coffee there, brother. Yeah, I've been sick last couple of days, guys. I'm a little under the weather right now. About to sneeze on Austin. But yeah, I'm back in here. I'm gonna try to see what I can do. I don't know how much I can do. I feel weak. It ain't the COVID. Everybody shut up. It's just the cold. It's going around. But I don't want to get out of this car. It's kind of comfy. Come on, let's go see what's going on up there. Yeah, this coil right here may be breaking down under a load after it gets hot. Because I can start it up cold and run the fire out of it, but when it heats up, it's missing.
But I knew one.
Wanting to shut off.
But I knew one with the.
It was on this engine when he brought it. He brought it here. It could be an old one that someone pressure washed. You never know. But we're gonna take it off and look inside and take the ohms meter and check all that electricity type stuff, resistance, and you know, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go get some tools and then we'll catch back up with you guys. Sorry for my throat, my voice. It's a little weird, but it comes along with being a little sick. What's up, everybody? We're back with the 65 Galaxie. So you seen where it had a mess under load, and I took a distributor apart, checked everything, and I come to find that this is bad. I checked it with the ohms meter. It ain't got no resistance, and it should have some. So pretty sure that's the problem, but I don't know if the alternator caused it to go out. So we've had it happen before on another car. The alternator, the voltage regulator went out, so it sent like 20 volts to the distributor and coil and fried the module. And what's it called, Joe? Ballast resistor. Remember that? Yeah. But this one, the resistor checked out. I checked it, so just gonna replace this module, see what happens. You got 2 screws in here that holds it in, 2 plugs. Just slide off just like that. And then once you unscrew it, sorry about my voice, I've been sick. People have been wondering where I've been. Been sick. So once you unscrew it, you can unplug it from the resistor back here. And that's it. The new one's in this box here. AC Delco. Slide it in there. Plug it in, put your screws back in. Plug wires back in and see what happens. When I start it on, check this alternator, check the voltage coming out of it. There's a notch here and a notch on one side of this. So it can only go one way.
So even though this is a Ford motor, it's using a Chevrolet distributor.
Yeah. Cause science. Yeah. I had this thing apart, checking the coil. It's good. Check out that antique screwdriver. Still works good.
Reminds me of my nanny's wooden bowls.
And the wooden spoon you got a whooping with.
So that was always a switch I had to pick my thumb.
Oh. Yeah, I did that a few times. Try to get that little one. So I got a 6 here, and I numbered all my plug wires so I could just throw it back together real quick. I ain't have to go through and nippy out here now. Felt like it was warmer earlier.
Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. I lost the cylinder overnight. It's because it's cold. It shrank. It's 12.6, just chilling.
I can't tell what it is. That's in the sun. Yeah, it's 12.6.
I'll start it, see what the voltage is.
I kind of figured it was a coil breaking down, and turned out it was the ignition module. It was no good, according to my own meter anyway, but we'll let it warm up and see what happens. Hopefully it's fixed. What's up, everybody? We're in the 65 Galaxie. It's been sitting overnight, so it's cooled off, and we're gonna fire it up, let it run a little while, see if the problem's fixed, see if it's ready to go home. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure it's in neutral. Jim done scooted the seat back on me. When the problem happened when it warmed up.
Yep.
That module was breaking down. I think we got to fix the gear. Alright y'all, she's up to temp. We're gonna take it for a little spin. Not literally, but
I hope not, literally. This ain't got no seatbelts. Feels like I'm riding in a boat.
it feels like I'm driving a boat. Tommy just texted me and said, "You want to go out on the boat?" Yeah, this thing kind of ain't gonna scare Grandma. Car probably brings back memories. She's probably had one.
Right.
Yeah, it's getting a little too much fuel, man.
Yeah.
Brakes work good. The old transmission wore out. You can hear it whining. I can feel it in the shift. I think she's ready.
Think so too.
Alright y'all, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, notification bell.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, get updates, notification bell, subscribe, like button, don't forget.
And Bennett'sHotRods.com for merchandise.
That's right. Cool shirts, hats, gizmos, all that good stuff.